Waking up the street, I just want you all to hear it. Waking up the street, I just want you all to hear it.
I like to move real close after waking up, mesmerized by your breathing, how you're holding up. Remember the day we first met and the love we found.
Good morning. Okay, so I am currently on a blog tour. Yesterday was supposed to be Slap Happy Sewing's turn, and I am next today. So you're going to follow me today for a day in the life type of vlog. It's slightly different to my normal Vlogmas format because I normally film over a week, but this is just going to be a day in my life, and the vlog tour is so this is Vlogmas. So follow me along on my day, right? Just follow me, really. I am currently on a shoe making course. It's 3 intensive days of making shoes, and today is day 2. Now, I'm at home at the moment. I'm just going to catch the train very soon. But guess what? I've lost my rings. Yeah, both of them. I think I put it in my pocket somewhere, but I just don't know where exactly. I do that.
My mom has so many coats.
Yeah, because I don't think it's in my coat though, Olivia. I believe I put it in a jeans pocket. I wore jeans the other day, but I've checked in my jeans pocket, it's not there. I've checked in the other one, it's not there. So I checked in the back as well. So I don't know. You know what? Normally when it happens, it always comes back. So somehow it's gonna come back to me. So I'm ringless today. Ooh, I always have like perfume here on my. I'm just gonna put some perfume on. Smell nice on the train. Oops, where's the lid? You got it? Oh, thank you. Right, Olivia, I will see you soon. When you've got a 6-year-old in the house, you always need to lock up the door. I really should get a scarf. I've got lots of scarves. But I'll turn down the radio. I've got lots of scarves, but I think it's just because I was really poorly prepared today. So I don't have a scarf with me. So I just need to zip up really. Which is quicker. Oh, I see my train. Thank goodness I made it. Because I was gonna drive, but it's Saturday, the Saturday before Christmas, and think about London, the week before Christmas, traffic. I thought, no, I'm not gonna risk this. And there's my train, yay! Yay, 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 yay! I can feel rain. Why does it have to rain every day? So annoying. And I'm late. I'm not late. I just wanted to be there 15 minutes prior so I could chat to you guys. But you know what? It is what it is. Whew, whew, whew. Let's go. I feel like a student again. Hurrying up to go to school. Oh, by the way, it's Saturday. I'm back home now. Finally. The journey wasn't bad today, actually. I was able to catch my train on time, but I got home and I was so hungry and tired. I forgot to pick up my phone. So here we are. I'm back home now. I've eaten and I'm actually cooking. I'm cooking some tomato stew and it's sizzling away. If you know, you know. Guess what? I got home and there was no one at home and I was so happy. Oh my gosh, anybody out there who loves coming back to an empty house, it's just the best thing ever. Yeah, so my husband's out with my daughter. They've gone out, so the house is empty and I've got the house to myself. Yay! I got really tired towards the end of the day, guys. I got really, really tired. Like, oh, yeah, but I'm fine. I'm good, thanks. So I'm going to try and get a bit of sewing done. And I will see you in a short while. I got this fabric. Romana gave me this fabric when I met up with her last week. And it was so lovely of her. It was just, it's lace. And it's gold and like purple or maroon. I'm not sure. Also, I bought these from Harriet's shop on the 14th. So last week. And this is for a coat. I want to make, I tell you why, I had this here because I want to make another Sapporo coat using this fabric, but that might change. I also have this mustard fabric. It's wool. It's a wool blend. I don't know, guys, I'm not the best with textiles, but this, and I've just seen the perfect lining for this fabric. There, I can't show it to you, but all right, I'll show you. It's right there. I hope you can see it. It's the yellow one. It's like a bit floral. And it's an Ankara fabric. And I will be lining this with that fabric. And it's going to be a jacket. But that's for later on in the new year. I'm also going to be... I also purchased this from Harriet's shop. Sew Me Sunshine. And this is a linen blend. And it's sparkly. Slightly sparkly. So I just need to pack these away and find... I like to keep my fabrics where I can see them. Otherwise, I'll just forget about them. Well, I won't forget about them, but I would kind of not prioritize them. So, yeah. But then I need to... Oh, I'm shaking the table. I need to stop buying fabric. I've got so much fabric that I need to actually make things. And I've not been making a lot of things recently. But I just need to make... like, use up what I already have before buying more fabric. So I need to stop. That's one of my... I'm going to set myself, like, fabric spending, like, limits. I would only spend if I have a project, like an important project. But just for the sake of, like, these now, I bought these just because I like them. And just because of this, they look good. I don't need them, but I just bought them. So it's just it's a habit. It's a bad habit that I need to get rid of in 2020. Yeah, so I had a few emails to check and respond to, because I didn't have the time today to do that. And that's really it for the day. I'm just going to tidy up my space, because I will not be doing any sewing in here tomorrow. I just need to tidy up. I might not actually do much sewing in here till the new year, or maybe till after Christmas. So I just need to clear it up and make it look nice. And that would be it for today. I'm just going to go put my feet up, watch a bit of TV, finish my popcorn, have a drink, a warm drink, and wait for the people to come home. So yeah, that's it really for today. I thought I'll be able to get some sewing done today, but I'm just so tired that I can't. But remember, this day in the life vlog is part of a vlog tour, and the lovely Slap Happy Sewing came before me yesterday. So please, after watching this video, go back and watch her video and then have a look through the playlist. So click on the hashtag, so this is Vlogmas, to see all the other vlogs that are part of this vlog tour. And I will see you next time well, it'll probably be next week, because next week is Christmas and I'm so excited about that. Christmas. But yeah, till next time, I will see you very soon. All the best and goodbye.